Hello and welcome to Four Little Bears. Today I'm going to show you my Craft Roulette card that I made for episode number 195. Craft Roulette is an online card making game show hosted by Miss Mary Gunn Funn, and this last week was by Biddy Penny also. I'm also going to give you a little sneak peek of what I had been doing before, which is going to be the next video, coloring in some of the ephemera that we had cut earlier. So I hope you enjoy, and I will take you through the process. Thank you. So I had made all these ephemera pieces, and I kind of wanted to use what I already had made. The only problem is I had already colored them, and I don't necessarily think that the red went with the calm colors, at least not for me. So I'm going to go ahead and color the red on these images in with a black marker, and then, or the red on the glasses with a black marker, and then I'll use an Ohuhu marker to color in the black or the red journal in like a green tone, so it's just a little bit more calming colors. I liked the red, it was a good pop. It just didn't seem to fit with the theme this week for Craft Roulette. Here's the green. I believe I used the number 56. It's like a teal color. And again, that's an Ohuhu marker. I've used other alcohol markers, but I really do enjoy the Ohuhu markers. I think they're pretty comparable to any of the better ones out there. I'll just make a normal size card base. This is just 5.5 by 4.25 card bases. I'll just fold it in half the short way, like a hot dog bun, and then I'll cut it the other way. And I love this image. I almost wish I would have made a bigger card base so I could have used the entire thing in the background. I just really like this, the frame. And I'm just cutting that out to kind of help center my ephemera pieces when I put them down in the cluster. And usually with Craft Roulette, I'm not sure if it works out well or not, but usually with Craft Roulette, I don't plan anything. I just kind of wing it. So everything's getting measured on the fly. This paper pack was from Michael's. It has this gorgeous sheet in here that's all kinds of different borders. It even has a little sentiment row. It's great. Deciding that because this paper has a white core and is actually white on the back, that I'm going to try to trim off a little bit of those extra weird fuzzies. And then I kind of decide to just go with it. So I want to rough up that edge and kind of lean into the white edges, because trimming it off doesn't work very well. So I'll use my finger blade. Be very careful with the finger blade. Make sure you don't cut yourself. But yeah, I'm just going to take the finger blade and run it along the edges. There is a better tool out there for this, but I could not find mine. Honestly, I don't think I've ever actually used it for what it was intended for. It's literally made just to do this. I think I got mine in my Cricut kit when I bought the Cricut. Like, it came with everything else, and I've never actually used it. And then I probably lost it. So instead of using the tool that should be used, I'm just going to use a finger blade. I did end up really enjoying this look. I might do this more often. It just, instead of fighting with that edge, just leaning into what it naturally wants to do. distress the edge of the flower piece too, just to kind of match, because it's from the same paper pack. It's also got that white core. Kind of brings that detail down into the middle of the card. So looking at this again, I feel like I want to make this again and stop right here. Maybe add the strip and that feel beautiful today sentiment, because it hides so much of that beautiful flower image when you put the luggage on top. But I'm going to go with it because I need the element to be stuffed. And I don't know about you guys, but when I pack, I usually have my laptop bag and my regular bag stuffed so full I can hardly close it. I cannot pack for anything. And I do traveling for work, so I don't know why I can't pack better. I really should be better. So I've got my stuffed element on there. I got my little sunglasses in front of the ticket. I guess it's a train or a plane ticket. And a little hat box that's probably also stuffed if it's mine. And this sentiment is one that came with the stamp set. It's Explore, Dream, Discover. And this is one of the stamp sets that might be in, that I have duplicates and triplicates of, so it might be in one of the stamp bags. If you watched my last video, it might be in one of the mystery stamp bags. In fact, I'm pretty sure it's in both, but don't quote me on that. So my Craft Roulette day, I did this on Saturday or Sunday, was pretty chill. But you've got to listen to my next video about the painting the ephemera to hear what my 6-year-old did to me. He scared the living bejesus out of me. I thought, you've never seen an old lady jump up so fast to go find something. All right, that is it. My Craft Roulette card for episode 195. So the Craft Roulette parameters this week were project, encouragement, colors, calm, element, stuffed, and random, tickets. What do you think, guys? Did I hit the challenge? I hope y'all have the best week ever. Stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you for sticking with me so long, and I will see you next week. Like, subscribe, share if you would. That would be awesome. Can't wait to see you again next week.